Hey sweet friends, so I cannot even begin to express to you how excited I am to do this training for you today. Oh wait, maybe I can express it to you. So if you have some lofty fitness goals, but like me, you hate cooking, then stay tuned because I'm gonna share with you my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method so that you can get in and out like that. My name is Lauren Valentino, and I help women with their nutrition and fitness so that they can thrive in bodies that they're madly in love with. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're watching on YouTube, click the bell so that you get notified. I put out a new training every single week to help you crush your goals faster. I love spending all day in the kitchen, said no woman ever. But if you're like me and you are unwilling to sacrifice your fitness goals and you know that the thing that stands in the way between your goals and where you are right now is getting in and out of this kitchen and assembling some really awesome, easy, healthy meals, I'm gonna share with you my favorite method, and it's so fast you won't even need to put one of these on. Okay friends, so after about 14 years of helping women with their nutrition and fitness, I've learned a thing or two about human nature. And so one of the number one things that I hear women complain about or just have a difficult time understanding is how to assemble easy, healthy meals. If you're like me, you are a mama, you're running kids around, you are running businesses, you are high level and high function. If you are going to be high level and high function, then you need quality nutrition in your body. Also, if you're like me, you want to walk around feeling great in your skin. You want to have energy to live a full throttle life, and you want to be able to keep up with your kids. You want to be able to say yes. You want to feel good doing it. And that all starts in the kitchen. Now, I cook 98% of what goes in my mouth, maybe 99. And so I had to come to peace with the cooking process many, many years ago, but I also had to figure out a really awesome, fast way that I can assemble easy, amazing, delicious, healthy meals. And I'm gonna share with you a very basic strategy that I use with newbies and with experts alike. And it's called the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. So I'm gonna share it with you now, and it is as easy as this. So when going to the grocery store, you're going to look for 5 different types of vegetables. Now, I wanna start by saying that you are absolutely going to make it a priority to rotate your nutrition. If you ate these vegetables last week, you're going to shuffle and shift and change this week. Our bodies don't just need the right amount of macros, but they also need the micronutrients that we get from our foods, the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients, guys. Okay, so I want you to think in not just macros and not just calories, but I want you to think about what is it made of? What is it comprised of? What are we feeding our bodies? All right, so I grab 5 different types of vegetables. I want you to also be mindful of colors. I want you to get an array and an assortment of different things. So I'm gonna share with you what I got. I'll share with you at the end what I did with my grocery shopping this week. So easy, so fast, so effective. And honestly, guys, it's gonna save you a ton of money if you go in with a plan and with a strategy. Now, make sure to hang on to the very end because I'm gonna offer you a super amazing resource this week so that you can just really smash the easy button on your meal prep. So we go for 5 vegetables. We do 4 different types of protein. So this week, I'll share with you what I got. And normally when I'm structuring meals, and when you are as well, I want you to think to get a minimum of 4 meals. Unless you're a high level athlete and you're in the gym, you kind of know your thing, you know the drill, you may be doing more like 5, maybe 6 even meals. But if you're just starting out on a fitness journey, you definitely still want to implement 4 meals. Most of us are awake definitely like 16, 17 plus hours a day. So you want to make sure that you're getting protein and quality nutrition every 3 to 4 hours. Otherwise, your blood sugar is going to drop and you're going to put some things in your mouth that are maybe a little bit naughty and not really aligning with your fitness goals. So we go for 4 proteins. I grab 3 different types of carbs. And then I grab 2 fats. And then I round it out with making sure to get 1 fruit. Now, I'm gonna share with you exactly what I got from the grocery store this week and how I'm gonna put it together. So I normally do breakfast around 8. I do lunch around noon. I will have another meal around 3 and then dinner at 6. That is an easy strategy for you to use and to go by. On Sundays, I like to cook my meals. If I'm not cooking for the whole week, I at least cook through Thursday. And what I will cook is I will cook my lunch, I will cook my 3 p.m. meal, and then I will cook my dinner. Because my life is so busy that if I don't have it in my fridge ready to rock, it's not gonna happen. You guys are probably the same way. Now, in between, I will have my fruit as a snack. So I'm gonna show you what I got. You ready? Okay, so I'm gonna share with you exactly what I got from the grocery store. So I'm gonna start with veggies. I grabbed 5 veggies, and I normally will make sure that I'm getting a variety, making sure that I'm hitting some colors on the veggies. So the first thing is this. I grabbed organic celery because I'm gonna start off my mornings with some celery juice. You can use this as a snack. You don't even have to grab celery. You could grab something else, but I'm showing you what I got this week. So celery. And then I grabbed carrots. I will steam these and put these with protein. Green beans, easy to steam, throw it with your protein. Arugula, because I love leafy greens. They help with my digestion. Any leafy greens are so loaded with valuable nutrition. I also grabbed a few red, orange, and yellow peppers that I like to put with my veggies with my protein, and so good. Easy to cook. All right, so that covers your vegetables. So then you're gonna grab 4 proteins. I always make sure that I have eggs on hand because, well, breakfast. And then I don't always rely on just animal sources for protein. I make sure, I'm getting protein from my vegetables, obviously protein from plants. So I use tempeh. That's one of my go-to favorites. I grabbed ground turkey this week, so I'm gonna utilize the ground turkey for my lunches. And then I grabbed a huge pot roast because if you have an Instapot, it'll change your life. This is so easy to throw in, like 10 minutes and it's done, and you can portion out dinners for your whole week. All right, so that's the protein. And then I move on to grabbing 3 different carbs. Now, I don't eat carbs with my dinner because I don't think that, for my fitness goals, I wanna make sure that I'm not going to bed carb loaded. I don't see any reason. It's like filling up your gas tank to go park your car in the garage, okay? So I do carbs with my first 3 meals, and then with dinner, I just have kind of a fattier protein. I make sure that I'm getting good healthy fats, whether I'm putting avocado with fish or something like that, depending on rotating through. Now, but I don't use carbs at dinner, just the first 3. So here's what I grab. I always have rolled oats in the pantry because I love having this with my eggs for breakfast. And then for this week, I have jasmine rice that I'm going to do with my lunch. So I'm gonna do turkey and rice and vegetables. And then for my 3 o'clock meal, I grabbed sweet potatoes. It's so easy to throw these in the oven. You bake them on 400, just lay them flat on your cooking sheet and just come back in an hour and they're done. And they're so easy. Then I grabbed 2 different fats. So fats are precursors to making all of our hormones in our body. Fats make cholesterol, and cholesterol is used for our bodies to make hormones, all right? So we need good healthy fats, very vital, very important. Also guys, like over 60% of our brain utilizes fats for function. So make sure that you are implementing some good healthy fats. You can definitely use like extra virgin olive oil when you're cooking your vegetables. I grab walnuts because I love them. They're great. I put them with my apple when I have my apple snack. And then I also will grab avocados. I always have avocados on hand. They're great to throw with your breakfast. If you do like a fish or something lean for dinner, you can slice half of an avocado and put it with your fish, all right? And then for my fruit this week, apples. Guess what? I grabbed 7 and it's done. So grab yourself, pick one fruit for the week. I always like to just choose one for fruit because I don't like things to go bad in my fridge. And if I overcommit, something bad is gonna happen. All right, so that is easy food assembly. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that is gonna have you in and out of the grocery store so super fast. All of these things are very easy to assemble and put together. Now, when you get into your kitchen and you're cooking, let me share with you my simple tips and tricks for getting in and out so super fast. So you're gonna put your carbs on first. The sweet potatoes or the rice, they're gonna be your longest to cook. So I get those going first and set a timer. Then I do my proteins and veggies last. And so that's just the order that you go in. What I do is I use glass jars. I love ball jars, wide mouth ball jars. If I'm doing salads, I'll do the larger ball jars. But the reason that I love these is because I can take the top off and I can throw these in the microwave, and I don't have to worry about like heating in plastic. Now, if you want to, these stack beautifully in your fridge. Grab yourself some BPA-free plastic. I don't recommend using them in the microwave, but they're cheap and they're easy to stack and clean. And then you just put your meals together. It's just that simple. Now, if you're looking for a little bit further guidance, if you need a little bit more support, we have an incredible group, and I'm gonna invite you to it right now. And we have had massive success. The women that come into this group, they gain mental clarity, they gain energy, they gain structure and function and support. So you can come join our 5-day food and fitness challenge. Now, it is absolutely incredible. We get massive results inside of this group. So if you're just looking for something like, hey, okay, that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 was awesome, great method, but just give me exactly what to do. We've done it for you. So check out the info in the show notes below. Click the link, join. We are literally going to spoon feed you everything you need to be massively successful in jumpstarting your fitness and health journey. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. If you grab value here, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, like, subscribe, share, do all the things, and I will see you next week for our next training. Have a great day. Bye.